See now, next question. Next word problem of quadratic equation is from practice set 2.6, question number 4. What is question? Vivek is older. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. The sum of the reciprocals of their ages is 1 upon 6. Find their present ages. Okay? By looking, you may think that it is very example. Because why? Very easy. Why? Because 1x, otherwise x plus 5, do addition of this. But it is not that. See carefully what is condition. Vivek is older. Older means elder. Means that bigger. Means it is bigger than 5 years. See, we can say that who is smaller? Kishore is smaller. Therefore, we should consider Kishore's age as x years. And Vivek is older. Who is older? Vivek. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. Therefore, Vivek's age will be x plus 5 years. We should say let Kishore's present age be x years. Therefore, Vivek's present age equal to how much? Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. Therefore, Vivek's age will be x plus 5. And if he was younger than that, means smaller, it will be x minus 5. But now it is x plus 5 because Vivek is older, means it is elder, okay, than Kishore by 5 years. Therefore, his age will be x plus 5 years. Now, what is condition? Now, see you there. Sum of the reciprocal of their ages. Here, important word is reciprocal. Reciprocal means we should write that number such a way that denominator become numerator and numerator become denominator. Means, for example, 3 upon 4. Reciprocal of 3 upon 4 will be 4 upon 3. 7 upon 8. Reciprocal of 7 upon 8 will be 8 upon 7. This way. Suppose only 1. The reciprocal of 1 will be 1 only. Because why? 1 means 1 upon 1. Make reciprocal this way. It will become again 1 upon 1. It is 1 only. Now reciprocal of 2. Reciprocal of 2. How much will be? Reciprocal of 2. 2 means what? 2 upon 1. Reciprocal will be 1 upon 2. Reciprocal of 3. 3 means 3 upon 1. Reciprocal will be 1 upon 3. This way now, whose age is x? Reciprocal will be 1 upon x. See now here, by give one condition. See, what is given condition? The sum of reciprocal of their ages. Reciprocal of x and reciprocal of x plus 5. Then what will be the answer? Reciprocal of x will be 1 upon x. See, reciprocal of x will be 1 upon x. Reciprocal of x plus 5. See here, by mistake, students are writing this way. Plus 5. This way writing. It is not this way. Reciprocal of x plus 5 is not 1 upon x plus 5 this way. It is wrong. See here. Reciprocal of x plus 5 is not 1 upon x plus 5. It is 1 upon x plus 5 means x plus 5 full should be denominator. Okay? This way. This is reciprocal of x plus 5. See carefully here. This way we should write. And sum is how much coming? 1 upon 6. Sum coming 1 upon 6. Now here, simplify this now equation and make in standard form first. First we have to convert this equation into standard form. Though it is not looking quadratic equation, but it is quadratic equation because it is at reciprocal side. There is x is at denominator. See, x plus 5 ones are x plus 5. See, x plus 5 ones are x plus 5 plus x ones are x upon this multiplication x in bracket x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6 this way. See careful this. If there is addition or subtraction of fractions, if there is addition or subtraction fractions and if their denominators are different. If their denominators are different, we should do cross multiplication. We should do cross multiplication and write it at numerator side. And then afterwards, you should do multiplication of denominator to denominator and write it at denominator side. Okay? Now see here, x plus x, how much coming? 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5. This x plus x plus 8, 2x plus 5. Now this x into x square plus 5x is equal to 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6. Now see here, important rule in mathematics. If there is equal to sign, if there is equal to sign between two fractions, if there is equal to sign between two fractions, their cross multiplication is always equal. Their cross multiplication is always equal. See, if there is equal to sign between two fractions, their cross multiplication is always equal. We can write this way: x square plus 5x is equal to, see, x square plus 5x is equal to 6 in bracket 2x plus 5. Okay, x square plus 5x is equal to 6 to the 12x, 6 5 the 30. X square plus 5x is equal to 6 to the 12x plus 30. Okay, now see here, we should simplify this. Therefore, x square plus 5x, this plus 12x, 12x will become here minus, it will become minus 12x, and 30 will become here minus, itself minus become equal to 0. Therefore, x square, 5x is plus, 12 is minus, different sign. As signs are different, we should do subtraction. Subtract smaller number from bigger number. We subtract 5 from 12. It will be 7x. Answer coming bigger, minus 7x. Minus 30 equal to 0. See here. Sign of greater number. 5 is plus, 12 is minus. Different sign. We should do subtraction, give sign of greater number. Now see here. We have to find out two numbers such a way that subtraction should be 7. Subtraction should be 7 and multiplication should be 30. There are two numbers whose subtraction is 7. Subtraction why? Because here is minus sign. If here is minus sign, we should think such a way that subtraction should be this much. And if here is plus sign, see here, if here is plus sign, we should think such a way that addition should be 7 and multiplication should be 30. If plus sign then. But here is minus sign. Therefore, we should think such a way that subtraction should be 7, multiplication should be 30. Answer is 10 and 3. 10 and 3. How much subtraction? 7. And 10 3 is a 30 coming. Okay. Now add the sign. 7 will be minus, 10 will be plus. 10 will be minus and 3 will be plus, and then answer coming minus 7. Say, what is the answer then? X square minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 is equal to 0. See, 10x, 3x, subtraction is 7x, and multiplication will be 30. Now see here, x, here is only x common. X square upon x cancel, minus 10 plus 3, 3 cancel, x, 3 tens are minus 10 is equal to 0. Right, double bracket means that common bracket one time, remaining at in one bracket equal to 0. Now, as usual, we should write this equal to 0, this equal to 0. Then what answer coming? X minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 plus 10. Therefore, x equal to 10. X is equal to 0 minus 3. Therefore, x coming minus 3. But we should say, but x is age. Okay? It cannot be negative. Okay? Age cannot be negative. Okay? Therefore, we should say x is minus 3, therefore x equal to 10. Now what is x? What we consider x? X is Kishore's age. See, Kishore's age was x years. Okay, therefore x equal to Kishore's present age. Present age equal to how much? 10 years. And Vivek's present year. Vivek's present age. Vivek's will be how much? X plus 5. 10 plus 5 equal to 15 years. See, Kishore's age is coming how much? 10 years. And Vivek's age is 15 years. Now we will verify that. What is the condition? That sum of the reciprocal of their ages is 1 upon 6. Means 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 15. This answer should come 1 upon 6. What is the condition? That sum of the reciprocal of their age is 1 upon 6. Now 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 15. How much answer should be? Answer should be 1 upon 6. Now see here. 15 ones are 15 plus 10 ones are 10. 10 15 are 150. Cross multiplication done. 15 ones are 15, 10 ones are 10, 10 into 15, 150. 15 plus 10, how much coming? 25 upon 150. 25 ones are 25, 25 6 are 150. Answer coming 1 upon 6. See, therefore, sum of their ages coming 1 upon 6. Therefore, it is verified. Therefore, answer is correct. 10 years and 15 years. Okay.